So the topic is people think choice equals control. So a simple example is all the people will have their own choices. Even though they have, if we give one choice, they will not choose it. They will prefer multiple choices in their life. As in this, Sheena Iyengar has described an experiment with rats, that they have kept a food in the middle of a path, and they gave a direct way to reach the food, but the rats will always prefer to and the another way is to come across from the branches, but the rats will not choose the direct path. Every single time the rats will choose the some other paths to go and reach the food, but the both paths are resulted to the same amount of food and same quality of food. And then even if the matter is food, they should prefer the short route, but the rats will not prefer the short route. They will always prefer the long route. As the experiment, then they did an experiment with monkeys and pigeons, that the animal learned to press the button to get food. As we kept one button, monkey and pigeon will not, they are not satisfied with the one button. They will always choose the multiple buttons to press. So as in the similar way, there was a similar research with humans, where there is a game as casino, and they will give one chip and one rotor wheel, but none of the people are satisfied with one chip and one rotor wheel. They will if they give one rotor wheel or two rotor wheel, they will prefer the two rotor wheel option itself. Even though it's necessarily it's important, all the people will choose more choices. They need to control as them. They need the option to control their choices. Okay, there is a 4-month style. For example, there is a 4-month style, and they gave a string to play this music. The child is too excited to press the string, so the music plays. So they will be pressing the string. But so the Iyengar thought we can do it in the another way. Like there is no need to press the string, but the music will play automatically. But the babies are not satisfied with that. They get angry and dissatisfaction with that. They want to choose what they want. They need to control the string. They need to control the music. This is what people mindset will be from the beginning. If we have one thing, we don't want that to be us. We want choices. This or that. We need to control it for ourselves. We need to choose it for our lives. So this is what they say, that people need to feel that they are in control and they have choices. People won't always choose the task to be finished complete in a fastest way. We have given a work, we need 2 or 3 days of time. We don't want to finish it quickly. We will be free at home, but we won't finish it quickly, right? We will go and sit at home, we will see TV and whatever, but we need time. We won't finish it. That's what they are telling, that people need time and they need to choose their controls.